Hey everybody, Monday morning, Cinco de Mayo, looking at the Astro Excel chart for this coming week. The green line is kind of flat and between the plus and minus 10 for the whole week. So in the bigger picture, it's neutral, smaller internal trend pressure upward through today, peaking out tonight at about 18 to 2000 hours on the green line right here, moving into a downtrend all the way through the session Tuesday, where we flatten out about 1700 to 2000, and then we're kind of flatlining in slightly negative territory for the next 3 days without any real trend direction on there, in slightly negative territory to close out the week. On the blue line, there are quite a few spikes. We had a spike high here, the first one of the week in the trading period at 1 a.m. Let me bring that point in on the price chart. Here's the 4-minute ES chart. You can see right here at 1 a.m. we had this bottom, and then we rallied out of there to make that overnight high. Two more turning points today of note, the 9 a.m. and then again here at 1300. We've got one late in the day, 1600. Not a good time to be jumping in generally. Moving into tomorrow, we have this 4 a.m. spike peak, and then 1900 in the early evening. And then as we move into Wednesday, we've got one in the evening, 1900, then one again here between midnight and 1 a.m. And then finally another one in the trading session on the 8th at 1400. And then on Friday, the one opportunity here in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. on Friday. So those are the key points, key potential turning points on the blue line and the green line trend pressure for this coming week.